Ready to take your Minecraft world from blocky to breathtaking? First things first, we need the foundation OptiFine. Head over to your web browser and search for OptiFine. Click on the official OptiFine website, then navigate to the download section and select the appropriate version for your Minecraft game. Make sure to download the jar file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded jar file and run it. This will open the OptiFine installer on this window. Click install. After installation, you'll get a confirmation message. It's important to keep this window open till the end. Now, open your Minecraft launcher. You should see a new profile automatically created for OptiFine. If not, select the OptiFine profile from the drop-down menu, or in the Installations tab. Make sure the OptiFine profile is selected, then launch Minecraft using the OptiFine profile. Once Minecraft is open, go to the Options menu, then select Video Settings. Here you'll find a new option called Shaders Euro. Click on it. Now, it's time to download some shaders. Find your favorite shader packs online. Many websites offer them once you have a shader pack downloaded, usually a zip file. Don't unpack it. Back in the shader options screen, click the Shader Packs button to open your Minecraft shader folder. Keep the Minecraft window open. Drag and drop the downloaded shader pack zip file into the Shader Packs folder. Close the folder. Back in Minecraft, the new shader pack should now appear in the shader list. Click on the shader pack you want to use. It might take a few seconds to load. And there you have it. Your Minecraft world now has amazing new visuals with realistic lighting, shadows, and water effects. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.